All right, good morning. Hope you all had a good weekend. Today we're going to jump right into the second part of Module 2. I've got a fair amount of material to cover, but you will have some time to work on Assignment 2 at the end of class. So you can kind of plan on that. And then if you have other things that you need help with during that time, I can also help you with those things. Today we're going to dive into a new area, and it's called string methods. Now, a method is very similar to a function. Now, if you remember, a function is a piece of code that we use to either do something or return something in our code. A string method is a function, it's essentially a function that we invoke on a string. So we're talking about, we're going to do a lot of work with strings today. We're going to do a lot of things to strings today. And string methods are essentially functions that belong to strings. So you call a method on a string, and it either does something to the string or it returns something.